Welcome back to the Love of Birds. Today we are doing a funny bird video, and I'm very happy to announce it because we got some really funny clips in this one, and let's get to it. I'm happy to announce that we're doing a fun bird video today, and I'm excited because you know the Beys. We love the Beys. So we have some awesome footage today, and they're real funny. Oh, that's ticklish. Zoom. Zoom, that is really ticklish. What are you doing? My good boy. Huh? That's my good boy. That's my good boy. Crow. Ciao. Where's my boy? Huh? Here's the East. Is East good? This is our bird Easter. We got him. What did we get him? We got him December 22nd, 2020. Now it's 2021. It's February 21st, I believe. And that's our new Easter boy. I think he's a boy. It's right there. He's not quite tame yet, but yeah, that's him right there. The East. We love him. My mom actually chose him, as I told you earlier, but he's really cute. We named him Easter because he looks like an Easter egg. That's how my mom thought of the name. I was like, oh, Easter, that's a great name, so that's why we named him. And he's a golden-faced, gray, bluish bird with the speckled wings, which looks really cool on him. We're quarantining him because he's been spending a lot of time with his friends lately, so that's our East. Here we have a little East on the floor. Got him out of that cage, which took me a lifetime to do, but he is now on the floor. He's on the carpet here. These is a good little boy. Isn't he? He likes the carpet. All budgies like carpet. They like soft stuff. Easting. Say bye. East is out. He's by the Hot Wheels track. He's going crazy. East is under the floor. He is going crazy. East is on the cage. He will do something. Will he? Will he do something? about it. He is seeing his friends. Get lost! There's East. That is our big East. Action day.
Slow-mo East. Let's go East.
Those were our funny bait clips. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed. Please press the like button if you have enjoyed, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And well, love you birds, and we'll see you next time. Bye.